Good morning. Wanted to talk to you this morning about your mind. As I ride down the road, I can't help but think how important the mind is. And so whether you're in the pressure washing industry, the landscaping, HVAC, plumbing, it doesn't matter what industry you're in, or if you're just a corporate guru or you're a stock clerk or a bagger at Walmart. It doesn't matter what industry you're in or what level of life you're in. Most people only use anywhere from 5 to 10% of their brain's capacity. Now I want you to think about that in the realm of if you had a gold mine and you knew that if you mined all the gold, you'd probably have more money than anyone in the world. You would be the richest man in the world today if you could mine that gold and get that gold to work for you. That's the exact way you should think about your mind. Your mind is a gold mine. And when you're only using 10% of it, you're leaving 90% on the table. That's untapped potential. And so I challenge you today. Earl Nightingale, back a long time ago, he'd give these challenges out. He'd challenge people to take an hour a day, just 1 hour a day, 5 hours a week, not including weekends, and take a blank sheet of paper. I've heard dozens of people that are way above my level. This is their daily routine. And so I want to challenge you to take this challenge and take this routine and make it yours. 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. So that's only 5 hours a day. So think of yourself as you sit in that hour alone. No radio, no phone, it's just you and your mind. And you think about your goals and you think about your aspirations and you start writing down every idea that you can come up with. No matter how crazy the idea is, write it down, because I'm telling you, if you wrote down 5 ideas a day, that's 25 ideas a week. That's 100 ideas a month. So that's 1,200 ideas roughly a year, give or take, maybe a little more, because some weeks have 5. Some months have 5. But the goal is you're writing down ideas. And man, it only takes 1 or 2 ideas about your company, about your philosophy, about your family, that will revolutionize your whole world. Change your whole life. 1 or 2 ideas. And the reason we're not getting those results is because we're not applying ourselves to the gold mine that is in our brain. Between our ears is a gold mine that we're not tapping into. So think of your 1 hour a day as you literally taking a pick and a shovel and you're going to work in your gold mine. And I call it a gold mine, G-O-A-L. Not a gold mine. Because you may not be needing your mind to work to get you more money. You may be needing your mind to work to get you a different personality, to get you to change your anger into love, to get you to treat your wife better, treat your children better. There may be multiple things, maybe get you to drive your race car better. So it's not just about money, it's about goals. And what about that goal do you need to do to revolutionize and change that goal, or the process to getting to that goal? It's just food for thought this morning. I know we're at 4 minutes and 38 seconds, but it's just food for thought. Try it and comment, like, share the video, and let's see if we can get a group of people actually challenging themselves and challenging each other to push ourselves to a level that we don't even know. We don't even comprehend how far we can actually go. Are you up for the challenge? Let's do this. Like it, share it, comment. Thanks.